Ooh, what's this?
The excavator is digging dirt.
Wow.
Excavator.
It's so nice.
Hmm.
What happened?
Suddenly, it hears a little cat crying.
Oh no.
Oh no! The kitten is trapped under some rocks.
Let's go.
The excavator rushes to help.
It's my time.
It moves one rock, then keeps digging.
I got it. That's nice. Yeah. Oh no.
A big rock falls down and traps the excavator.
Hello. Ooh, what's this?
A dog sees this and runs to get help.
Okay. Hey, you.
Huh?
Tractor.
What happened?
The tractor comes quickly and calls the rescue team.
It's so nice. Okay. Hello.
Dump truck.
Let's go. Thank you.
Crane truck.
It's my time. Come on, buddy. Let's go.
The dump truck and crane truck arrive fast.
Wow. Hi, guys. Look at this. Okay.
Huh?
It's amazing. It's my time.
The crane lifts the rocks one by one and puts them into the dump truck.
Okay. Very nice. Nice.
At last, they see the excavator.
What happened?
They move the bucket away. Wow, the kitten is here. The excavator is hurt and needs repair.
Look at this. It's my time. I got it. Yeah. Very nice.
The crane lifts it to the repair shop. First, they fix the excavator. They take off the chimney, flatten the roof, and add a new chimney. Then they fix the cab and add a new bucket. Finally, they put on new tires. All done! The excavator is fixed again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.